Okay, we are going to make microwave popcorn without a microwave. Since the popcorn already has a lot of butter in it, it's very buttery popcorn, we're not going to add any extra oil. Let's put it in a hot pan. Make sure we get it all scooped out of the bag. Very buttery. That's very buttery popcorn there. Alright, we're just going to keep cooking it at high till it starts to pop. I think we should put a lid on it here, too, though.
Yeah, no, when it starts to pop, put a lid on.
Well, let's do half and half. Popcorn falls up in here, so you wash it.
I'll cut this part out.
Okay, yeah, keep starting it.
It's starting to pop.
Ah! I did like the video. Okay.
Okay, it's starting to pop. Can't really see it in the video again.
I always see people do this when they make popcorn, so I'm going to do it too. Keep shaking it and stuff, so it won't burn. Ah, it's going now. We wait like a microwave and wait till it's done popping. That was simple. They should have stovetop instructions on there too.
Because it's microwave popcorn. So I shouldn't have stove instructions on microwave popcorn.
Well, I didn't even know that you could make it on the stove because of it.
Oh. Woo! See? Now it's deliciously delicious.
Wait till the kernels popped here. I think we can turn it off the heat though.
Yeah. It doesn't like when you do that. It's done.
We're done.
Woo!
Into the bowl.
Still not. Into the bowl we go.
Beautiful popcorn.
Beautiful.
Yay!
Yeah. Okay. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
It's better than the other videos I have for popcorn.
Yep. Okay.
Some extra butter.
Okay.